Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Joy and Tom King channel. Joy and I are in Diani Beach in Kenya, and we're in one of the resorts here. Currently we are in Diani Sea Resort, and I'm just walking with AnnaBelle towards the sea. AnnaBelle is just really curious. She's looking at the ocean, the Indian Ocean, and she's just fascinated by it. So I wanted to see her reaction, her first reaction, looking at the ocean, because she's never seen the ocean before. She's really curious and she's really fascinated by it. So let's go to the beach and let's watch AnnaBelle's reaction. Mommy Joy remained behind with Amalia. She's editing some video and she's chilling. And AnnaBelle and I are just going to the beach for the first time. Shall we? Let's do it. It's a little bit windy here, but it is amazing. Amazing breeze coming from the ocean. So we put a jumper on AnnaBelle because it was a little bit windy. AnnaBelle is still playing with the Kinder Egg she got this morning. And we're heading to the ocean. Děkuju. 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 What do you think about the ocean? Look at that. Isn't it amazing? Kinder Bueno is better, right? Kinder Bueno is better than the ocean?
Yes.
Yes. It's the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Look at that. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean.
Yeah, ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Is that
Diani
ocean?
Beach, Kenya.
Is that
Diani
Kenya?
Beach, Kenya.
Is it Kenya?
Yes, Diani Beach, Kenya.
Is it Kenya?
Yes, Diani Beach, Kenya. Diani Beach, Kenya.
Beach, Kenya.
Diani Beach, Kenya.
That's Kenya.
What is that? Indian Ocean.
Is that ocean?
Indian Ocean. What is it, AnnaBelle? Indian Ocean.
Is that ocean?
That's right. That's right. High five. Yeah, that's it. AnnaBelle, What is this? Is this Indian Ocean? Indian Ocean in Kenya. AnnaBelle, look at that. Tade, come. Voda, yes, water. Voda. The ocean is coming in. The ocean is coming in. And yes, ocean. Yes, ocean is coming in. All right, and this is going to be full of water, like all this, very, very full. And in the morning, it's gonna go all the way down. All right, shall we go and have a look around the resort? When you watch these videos when you're 15 or 18, we will see how Daddy loved you when you were small and little. And Daddy will always love you. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, AnnaBelle, I love you so much. You're the most beautiful and the smartest girl in this world, and Daddy will love you, always love you, no matter what. Okay? Now, tell me, what do you think about this ocean? Do you like it? Do you like it? Tell me, do you like the ocean?
Yes.
Yes? You like the ocean?
Yes.
You like the ocean?
What?
You like the ocean? Look at that. You like the ocean? Do you like it? Indian Ocean, you like it? I love you so much. I love you so much, AnnaBelle. You are the most amazing thing what could happen to me. Show us the teeth. Show us the teeth. Show us the teeth. AnnaBelle. Show us the teeth.
Almost. Okay, Jenna. Bye.
Bye. I love you. Bye. I love you so much.
Bye.
Guys, for those who haven't subscribed, hit the notification bell and support us. Bye.
Bye.
Jahazibar. Shall we check it out? Jahazibar at the BTC Resort. Shall we check it out? Shall we check it out? Hi guys.
Hey,
Very well, how are you?
how's this beautiful queen doing?
Yeah, Queen of Africa, she's seen the...
Queen of Africa.
Yeah,
Are
she's
you
seen...
okay?
she has seen the beach today for the first time.
For the first time?
Yeah.
Don't worry, we'll give us a present. Take it back home. If you have a big a bag big enough for the ocean to take it.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's her name?
AnnaBelle.
AnnaBelle. Hey, AnnaBelle. How are you doing? You good?
Guys, do you do this, what's that called? Creamy cocktail. Pina colada.
Yes,
Can I have one?
make it for you.
Okay. Yeah, yes, please, just one. Sante sana.
Hey, AnnaBelle.
Without ice.
What is this, AnnaBelle? Right? This is the bar at the BTC Resort, and they're making Daddy a cocktail. Just one cheeky cocktail. Sorry? Oh, thank you. How do you call it here in the BTC Resort? How do you call this cocktail? Pina colada.
Any beach drink.
Pina colada it is. White rum, madafu rum, pineapple juice and coconut cream. Let's go for it. Nice. Very nice. Is it nice? Pineapple. 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 Ooh. It's acidic, right? Okay, come to daddy. Come.